Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from CUBOT tablet Tab 10 to an Android device. First of all, you need to access Play Store on both devices and install free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on CUBOT. Following that, you need to select Send on CUBOT tablet and Receive on Android smartphone. Then tap on all of those type of dots and when you're ready, select Send. This way you will select all of your files and then transfer them. It will take a long time to do it now, so I will go with only one photo. For example that one, choose Send and click on Got it. Now on an Android, choose Yes I agree or No thanks and close this window. Finally, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code using this scanning icon, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here instead and tap on Receive. As you can see now, in the matter of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!